In this lesson 4.1, Triangles by Angles, we will be learning how to name triangles by the type of angles in the figure. One concept that is important to know for triangles is that the three angles that make up a triangle should always sum or add to 180 degrees. So notice figure A, we have the box, which is 90 degrees in that bottom left angle. We have a 52 degree angle and a 38 degree angle. If you add up these three angles, you should see that they're 180 degrees. In B, we have three angles that are 60 degrees. If we were to add up the three 60-degree angles, we would also get 180 degrees. And then very similarly on figure C, we have 33 degrees, 120 degrees, and 27 degrees. Just like the other figures, if you were to add up these three angles, they should equal 180 degrees. Now, naming triangles by angles. There are three ways we can name a triangle by the angles included in the figure. We can name it as a right triangle if it contains one right angle, which is an angle that is equal to exactly 90 degrees. Triangle A above is a right triangle. We can also call them acute triangles. Acute triangles are triangles that contain only acute angles. Acute angles are angles that are less than 90 degrees. So if all three angles are less than 90 degrees each, it will be an acute triangle. Triangle B is an example of an acute triangle. Finally, we can name a triangle as an obtuse triangle. An obtuse triangle contains one obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is an angle that is greater than 90 degrees. Triangle C is an example of an obtuse triangle due to the fact that it has one angle that is equal to 120 degrees. 120 degrees is greater than 90 degrees. So it is an obtuse angle, making it an obtuse triangle. Now let's look and see what you're going to do for the examples. For the first set of examples, you are asked to label each triangle as acute, right, or obtuse. The three triangles below will be named acute, right, or obtuse. You will not duplicate answers. So there is one acute triangle, there is one right triangle, and there is one obtuse triangle. Match them appropriately. Finally, on the bottom section, it says to calculate the missing angle measures. In each triangle, there are two angles provided to you, and you are asked to find the third angle. For this section, you will need to recall that the three angles of a triangle should equal 180 degrees. So determine what angle measure is needed for the third angle to make them all three equal 180 degrees. Then you will indicate whether the triangle is an acute, right, or obtuse. Again, there is one of each of these. You will not duplicate answers. There is one acute triangle, one right triangle, and one obtuse triangle. Thanks for watching this video and completing this lesson. Next, you will watch the Edpuzzle video lesson 4.2, Triangles by Sides.